105 Mile Tower, runway 20, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 23 at Alpha. Hawaiian 105, Roger, hold position.
My ground, Rescue 6 and Company.
Rescue 6 and Company, my tower.
My ground, Rescue 6 and Company, total of 2 on the east ramp. I'd like to cross runway 2 to the main ramp for a fuel spill potential collision at gate 17.
Rescue 6 and Company, proceed the main ramp via Echo, Alpha, and cross runway 2 at Echo.
My ground, Rescue 2 and Company, total of 2, understand. Crossing runway 2 via Echo, Alpha to the main ramp, Rescue 6.
Hawaiian 105, are the rescue vehicles responding to you? Hawaiian 105, if you need any additional assistance, advise, and for now I'll keep your flight plan open. Just let me know if you need to cancel it. Hawaiian 105, I apologize, I missed all of that due to a phone call with management. Say again. Hawaiian 105, not a problem, I understand. Just let me know if you need anything. Would you rather I just drop your flight plan, then company can refile once they figure things out? Hawaiian 105, Wilco. Hawaiian 126, there was an incident over by gate 17 and 19. ARF's responding. I'm not sure if there's any ability for you to get into your gate. Advise once you clear runway 23 at Alpha, contact company and see what they want you to do.
Molly ground, Rescue 5 east ramp, request permission across runway 2 to the main ramp.
Rescue 5, cross runway 20 at Echo to the main ramp, change my frequency 118.7.